Dude, it looks like Jake. It looks like he can take 3 steps and just give out. His legs are giving, bro.
Ah, the cook is OP.
The cook is down, bro. Just look at him. What does he have going for him, bro? What does he have going for him?
Oh. Oh. Wait, is that gonna show it?
Oh!
Oh shit. Slice his ass.
It didn't hop. Oh. Oh, I look so cool. Oh yeah.
Dude, I look so cool, bro.
I look so mean.
Okay, I have no idea
Where
what to
is
do.
everybody?
A bunch of mud though. I have a bunch of mud.
I see
hear
him. I
noises
see him.
coming from
One's right
this
here.
way.
One's right here. One's on me. One's on me.
Where are you?
Hold on here.
Up the house. Up the
At
house.
the house?
Right here. Right here. In here. In the house. Trapper. Trapper in. Oh, she went out. She went out. She went on the crack. In the crack. In the crack. Kevin, where the fuck were you, Kevin? You fuck-
I'm right here.
That was yours. That was fucking yours.
I'm right here.
Find this fucking lady.
Hold up.
Kill
I'm
her.
gonna feed Grandpa. I see her. I see her. I see her. I see her.
He's going back in the house. He's by
She
you.
went back inside. She went back inside Alex. Inside the house.
I see it.
Grandpa's in danger.
I got him. I got him.
Where the hell are you? I know who you are. I can smell you. Smells like shit.
No,
Hey,
bro.
who's cook, bro? Who's cook?
Me.
You were cook?
Me.
Are you sure you were cook?
Yeah.
Oh, Jake, you're cook? Oh, bro. Cause you fucking suck, alright? You fucking suck
What?
at being cook, alright? Oh, dude, this is the family house, bro. This is us, bro. This is our house, bro. If we get
This
this,
is us?
bro, if we
Us?
fucking lose in our house, I'm disowning both of you,
No.
and you're being up for held for adoption, right?
Huh?
Grandpa
I don't wanna
don't like
fucking-
that.
Who, me?
Bro, I'm the one with the chainsaw. I'm the one with fucking somebody's nasty ass face on my fucking face, alright? You guys both fucking figure it out. Y'all motherfuckers better do your fucking job this time.
Mhm.
I'm talking about you, Jake.
Oh.
You fucking sold us
Okay,
last
like-
time.
What?
What?
You won.
Yeah, dude, I'm Leatherface. I can decide what goes, alright? You fucking
Oh,
sold us
okay.
last
So
time.
sorry. So sorry, sir.
I mean, why doesn't
Damn.
he cut off like the whole shit so his legs fall to the ground?
I'm getting bullied down here. They're hitting
Oh,
me.
upstairs. In the house, upstairs. One's in the house, upstairs. I just saw him.
Are they making a lot of noise?
Yeah. No, I saw him through my, the perch. He was upstairs.
Hey, baby.
I'm upstairs. Where they at?
It looked like
Oh, oh, I hear him.
You be slacking in this fucking family household, bro. You be fucking slacking, bro. I think I gotta fucking disown
You know what, Leatherface? Fuck you. Dude.
Alright, guys, I'm sorry for yelling at you, okay? I won't do it again, right? I'm gonna talk to you nice this
He's
time,
gonna
right?
do it. He's gonna do it soon.
I'm gonna talk to
He's
you
gonna
nice
do
this
it
time, right?
That was fun.
Hey, where's
Take
Alex
care of you,
at?
okay? Jake, you're John?
I'm Cook.
Oh, you're
Yo,
cook?
nah.
Oh, okay,
I'm
that's
Johnny.
what I thought. Hey, do your fucking job to cook, alright? You got one fucking job. Who's
Wait,
John?
but like 5
Kevin,
minutes
you're
ago
John?
you said...
Kevin, you're done? Kevin, you're done?
Yeah, I'm John. I'm John, bro.
You're doing great, buddy. You're doing great. Keep it up.
Yes!
Hey, this guy cook over here. This guy cook
What?
over here. He's about to
Oh,
get
the
it.
cook?
He's gonna about
Yeah.
to get it like the fucking victims.
Oh, you about to get it? Oh, dude, no way.
Hey, cook. This is your time to redeem yourself, alright? Fucking do your
Got my
job.
ass. You guys are go hungry.
Oh, I see her. She's right in front of me. Right in front of me.
Right for there? Look at that.
I tracked her.
You want some food, Grandpa?
Running.
Here you
She's
go.
running.
Yeah, she's little.
running.
Let's see.
Running downstairs. She's running
Yeah,
downstairs.
yeah, I see it.
I got her ass.
Let's go, bro. Let's go, bro. Dude, are we, bro.
Leatherface thinks he's hot shit.
I am hot.
They should make a game
You
about
want
the
to tell
cook.
me otherwise?
I should be
Come
the
tell
main
me otherwise.
character.
Come tell me otherwise, bro.
Everyone knows the cook is
Come
the
downstairs,
guy.
bro. Come downstairs. I'll whoop your ass.
What you
bro.
gonna do,
Whoop your
huh?
fucking ass. What are you gonna do? Stab me, bro?
Man, I got the stick, bro.
You're a little boy to me, bro. You're a little boy to me. You're my son to me, bro. My son to you.
Dude,
You're a little boy to me,
no
bro.
way he's quoting 6ix9ine, bro.
We're gonna make a fucking cook game. And I'm here for it. Everyone knows Cook is the best character. All Leatherface characters got big ass egos. Nah, not me.
You're my son to
I'm
me, boy.
probably
You're my
gonna
son to
awaken.
me, alright? You're my
The
son.
little boy.
Okay.
They made how many movies about me and how many movies about you? Oh wait, that's
Yeah,
your
they're all
side
pretty
character.
good.
Your side character. Your side character.
I see you. I tagged her. She's inside.
I know.
She's inside the house now.
Come further.
Yeah, I see her.
You wanna be playing games?
I'm marking her.
I got
You
it.
want to
I marked her.
You got it?
Oh, she's dead. Yo, the cook is so cool. He can mark people.
No way.
Oh! Yo!
Again, he flips it downfield, and McLaurin, the home.
What?
Bro, there's no way that can happen.
This right now?
There's no way that can happen, bro.
You can't say I
Fucking
saw
suck.
this round. You can't say I saw this round.
No,
Dude, there's
Kevin,
no way. Wait,
the first time I'm gonna say this, bro. The first time.
Wait.
I'm back in the
Whoa!
family, boys. I'm
Yeah,
back in
you
the
back
family.
in the family. Back
Oh,
in
wait,
the
what about
family.
me, boy? What about me? Yeah.
No, disowning your bitch ass. Disowning your bitch ass.
No!
We have not lost. We have killed almost every fucking victim. And look what fucking happened.